In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Todoist. Logging out is a small step that's easy to overlook, but it's really important, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. It helps keep your account secure and make sure no one else can access your tasks and projects after you're done working. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can log out confidently every time. First, make sure you have Todoist open in your browser or in the desktop app, and that you're currently signed in. Once you can see your usual Todoist workspace with your tasks and projects, look towards the top of the screen. You'll want to find your profile icon, which is located near the upper part of the interface. Depending on your version, this might appear as your profile picture, your initials inside a small circle, or a generic user icon. Move your mouse to that profile icon and click on it. When you do, a small menu will open. This is your account menu, where you can usually access settings, account details, theme options, and more. Take a moment to look through the options so you get familiar with what's available in this menu, but for now, we're just focusing on logging out. In that menu, look for the option labeled Logout. It's typically listed toward the bottom of the drop-down. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Logout. After you click, Todoist will sign you out of your account and return you to the sign-in page or a welcome screen, depending on the device and version you're using. To double check that you've successfully logged out, make sure you no longer see your tasks or projects, and instead see a prompt to sign in or create an account. If you ever need to log back in, you can simply enter your account details on that screen and you'll be right back in your workspace. That's all there is to it. By regularly logging out, especially on devices that other people might use, you add an extra layer of protection to your account and your information. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to log out in Todoist whenever you need to.